Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today, sorry my nose, I have a runny nose, so maybe in this video I will just have a lot the runny nose voice in the video. And you can see here in my hand is a classic, it's a classic, it's a Moleskine Classic notebook, and I want to make this with a cover because you guys remember before about last week I have made one and one cover for this notebook, but when I make that I didn't have the notebook in my hand, so I especially go to the stationery yesterday and want to get this notebook and just want to make sure the correct size for cover. So I'm so happy I got one here, and it's really small, and later I will make it with a correctly covered for this small classic pocket size notebook. Yes, and also I will use my new letters because they are very thin letters. So I think people using this small tiny notebook just because it's very small and very easy to put in anywhere, into your jacket pocket or put in your wallet pocket. It's just very convenient. So I don't want to use the thick leather to make a cover for it. So and I'm so happy that I just purchased 4 new colors and thin leathers in my shop. So later I will make it a cover with the new leathers I just got from the leather shop. Okay, so see you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back. Wow, I finally made this cover. Yes, and because it's my first try in the new leather, and also my first try with this classic pocket size notebook. So that one, before I met that one to in the dark night, that one like this, I'm pretty sure the pocket size must be wrong. So I'm here to say, Elizabeth, I'm sorry for the wrong size for you, and because the cover already shipped out, shipping, already under shipping. So if you have get any notified to ask you to receive the package, you can just return it. Okay, just return it to me because I'm pretty sure that is the wrong size. So today I make 2 ties to this cover, and you can see I waste a lot letters here. Yes, and in this new leather. Yes, and because this I feel is more close to gray leather, and it has a waist on it. So if I will show you now, if you use a map, you use a map to punish it. You can see I'm doing now. If you use the drive map to punish it, it will become the color will become like very darker, like here you can see, and the original is just like this color. Yes, and because this leather is very fine, it will change by your hand, by your daily usage very quickly. So just like this, and in the back is the back is a dark purple, blue purple. So it's very beautiful too. And I'm so happy I just make this. You can see it's really beautiful. Yes, I just make it. And the white, I want to tell you guys again, because the notebook, this notebook is very famous in the notebook. So you can see this classic pocket size notebook is very popular in the world. So I want to tell you guys about the size because I just made it in the correct size here. Okay, so the height will going to be the 150 millimeter. Yeah, 150 millimeter. Yes, we can see, and it's about 6 inch. About 6 inch. Yes, and the white, I can tell you the white. Okay, let me take it out. Sorry, my runny nose make noise. Yes. Okay, let's take it out first. And because the leather is pretty new, so it's very tight. So if you guys making this cover, okay, remember tell me to doing one thing as you receive the cover. Okay, you can just use one, maybe use pen or maybe anything. You can just do like this. Doing like this, just help me to make it become easy to slide your notebook cover in. Okay, just do like this. While you receive your covers at home, you can do this action first. Okay, so let's go to see the words about this cover. Okay. It's about 21 or 200 it's about 21 millimeter. 20, yes, about you can see here, and about 8 inch and 0.25. Yes, we can see the white here. Yes, so this is the correct size here, and I want to just adjust my class pocket in my shop. This will going to be the correctly size and the correctly measurements here. Okay, so let's go inside again. Let's go put inside again. Okay, we can put here we can put the front first. Yes, and you can just keep pull to very inside to keep it very going all into the cup, all into the pocket. Then just bend like this. Yes, I spent about 3 hours to make this, and I'm so happy I finally make it. Yes. And okay, you go inside for help, and we can just try to close it. Just close it, and it will push more inside. Yes, it will just like this. Yes, and we can just keep pull inside, keep push. Okay, so this is the pocket size, the classic pocket size covers here. And because I think this is very good using the thin leathers to make it. So you can see the leather, the original thickness, just like this. I didn't cut it thinner, but it's just like this. And I don't have to cut it thinner, and I can just directly to cut all the pocket I want and just stitching them very quickly. So this is the Moleskine Classic Pocket Size notebook cover here. Okay, so this is the video today and wish you guys will love it. See you. Bye bye.